Stay ahead of the fashion curve with our trend analysis workshop at D4D Studios. Dive deep into the world of fashion forecasting and learn how to spot the trends that will shape the future of design. In this hands-on session, you'll explore color palettes, fabric choices, and emerging styles, and develop your own trend predictions to stay at the top of the fashion game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain insider knowledge. Register today. D4D Studios, designing dreams for the future.